bye-bye.
Both members of the 4-H club, both active in the FFA. After graduation, Mary Ann went out looking for a bright new world. Wanda looked all around this town, and all she found was Earl. Well, it wasn't 2 weeks after she got married that Wanda started getting abused. She put on dark glasses and long sleeve blouses and makeup to cover her bruise. Well, she finally got the nerve to file for divorce. She let the law take it from there. But Earl walked right through that restraining order and put her in intensive care. Right away, Mary Ann flew in from Atlanta on a red-eye midnight flight. She held Wanda's hand and they worked out a plan, and it didn't take them long to decide that Earl had to die. Goodbye, Earl. Those big-eyed peas, they tasted all right to me. Earl, you feeling weak? Why don't you lay down and sleep? Earl, ain't it dark? Wrapped up in that tarp, Earl. The cops came by to bring Earl in. They searched the house high and low. Then they tipped their hats and said, "Thank you, ladies. If you hear from him, let us know." Well, the weeks went by, spring turned to summer, and summer faded into the fall. And it turns out he was a missing person who nobody missed at all. So the girls bought some land at a roadside stand out on Highway 109. They sell Tennessee ham and strawberry jam, and they don't lose any sleep at night, 'cause Earl had to die. Goodbye, Earl. We need a break. Let's go out to the lake, Earl. We'll pack a lunch and stuff you in the trunk, Earl. Well, is that all right? Good. Let's go for a ride, Earl. Hey! Oh, hey, hey, hey. Ah, hey, hey, hey.
Well, did you ever wake up with them bullfrogs on your mind? Well, did you ever wake up with them bullfrogs on your mind? You're gonna wake up laughing, laughing just to keep from crying. Well, did you ever wake up with that one woman on your mind? Well, did you ever wake up with that one woman on your mind. You're gonna wake up laughing, laughing just to keep from crying.
Hostia, va. Va.
Well, my mama got him, my daddy got him, my brother got him, my sister got him.
Ánimo.
Woke up
Venga,
this
suelta.
morning, grandpa had him too. Well, you know about that damn goddamn bullfrog blues. Well, did you ever wake up with damn bullfrogs on your? I said on your mind. Did you ever wake up with damn bullfrogs on?
Venga, Antonio, ya está ya está ya.
You gonna wake up laughing,
Largometraje largo has hecho.